Why seniors love pickleball. Over 60 and looking for more fun, friends, and fitness? Pickleball might be the best part of your week, and I'm going to prove it in under 2 minutes. I'm Jennifer, a proud senior and total pickleball addict. I play multiple times a week, and no, I was not a lifelong athlete. If I can do this, you absolutely can too. Let me show you why seniors are falling in love with this game. Reason number 1. It's easier on your joints than tennis, but you still get your heart pumping. Shorter court, lighter paddle, and way less pounding on your knees and hips. Reason 2. It's insanely social. You rotate partners, you chat between points, and you'll make more friends in 1 month than you have at most gyms in a year. Reason 3. It's actually fun exercise. You're laughing, you're chasing the ball, and you forget you're working out until you look at your watch and go, "Wow, I just moved for an hour." Worried you're too out of shape or too new? Here are 3 super simple day 1 basics. Number 1, ready stance. Feet about shoulder width, knees soft, paddle up in front of you. Think awake and ready, not slouched and sleepy. Number 2, easy serve. Underhand, contact below your waist, and just push the ball forward like you're tossing it to a grandchild. No fancy power needed. Number 3, the kitchen rule. See that line near the net? Don't hit the ball out of the air while standing in there. Let it bounce first, then step in. That's it. To get started, search for beginner or social pickleball at your local parks, rec centers, or church gyms. Show up, tell them you're new, and you'll be surprised how many people are excited to help you. If this gave you the nudge to try pickleball, tap like, hit subscribe, and drop "Senior Pickleballers Rock" in the comments so I know you're joining the party. Try one game this week. Your future self will thank you.